Black Feniks, man. I'm checking in with you this morning. I want to say something to my folks out there grinding, man. My folks who want to be independent, do their own thing. Dig this here. If you have been doing something for 5, 10, 15, 20 years, and you have mastered it, you've been working on that job, you've been punching that clock, they didn't push you up, but you still feel oppressed, you still feel like you're not getting nowhere because you're not really going to get too far punching the clock. That's just the truth. So what you do is you use what you know, you invest in it, and you create a business in it. So you've been doing office work, create some type of office business. You've been doing detail work, create some type of detail business. You've been selling cars, create some type of independent car selling business or some type of consultation to help these folks keep from losing all their money. Whatever that you do, you welding, carpentry, whatever. If you got the vision, the goal to be independent, this is the time.